Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to remove an email account from one device. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to remove your email from your device, if you're using an iPhone, what you can do is simply head over and open up your settings app. Then inside the settings app, what you need to do is scroll down until you find the option that says mail. If you don't find it, simply tap on the search bar, then type in mail and then open up your mail. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on mail accounts, and inside mail accounts under accounts section you'll find your option iCloud and Gmail, right? Simply tap on Gmail. Now if you are removing Gmail, all you gotta do is simply tap on delete account right here, and then once you tap on that, confirmation box will appear asking you to confirm if you are sure to delete your account. Simply select confirm and the email will be deleted. The email account stays active and only removed from this device. If you are using an Android, what you need to do is simply head over and open up the settings app on your phone, then scroll down and tap accounts or password and accounts. Then select the email account you want to remove and simply tap remove account and then confirm. This is done by simply tapping on confirm, and this removes the account only from this device, not from your email service. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. If this video was useful to you, leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.